My name is Louis Santana, and I was an intern with NB Media. The day-to-day life that I enjoyed the most was that we got to meet once a week. They were very flexible with my hours at work. I was able to come in, get the job done, get critiques that they provided to fix any of the projects that needed reworking, and we submitted them the same day. The projects that I worked on during my internship with NB Media were to create content for one of their clients, which involved beauty, to create engaging posts for them, which was a lot of fun. Since they are a media and marketing company, I think what surprised me the most was going out there with the owner and shooting some content for one of the clients that she ran for. To prepare for the career fair, get your portfolio ready. The sooner you get it ready with your resume, put in your skills, what you're learning, they'll look at it and they'll talk to you.